Friends, welcome to AK's Bright Channel. Today start the Python third lesson. Continue this. Uh, get attributes, name definitions, how to use the get attributes, name definitions. This function is used to access the attributes of the object. It is called when an attributes lookup has not found the reference attributes in the class. Yeah, this is using the reference attributes. Okay, this the built-in method for the same is object get attributes self name, which is called the automatically reference attributes not found. For example, get attributes health and weight. Built-in the method for the same will be h1 get attributes self and with a declaration of the functions and clears. Next, the above the statement resume the value of the with attributes otherwise release and an attributes error the expectation. Note that is the attributes found through normal mechanisms get attributes is not called. Adds attributes. It is check is the attributes exist on or not. For example, has attributes h1 is the weight. I will return the true is weight is attributes exist. The set attributes name value it is used to set an attributes. Alternatively, object set attributes self name value. The built-in method is called when an attribute assignment is the attempted, where name is the name of the attributes and value it is the values that is to be assigned. If one the attributes does not exist, then it would be created. For example, set attributes height weight h1 dot weight 90. The built-in method for the same will be h1 set attributes self weight and 90. Either of the above statements set the value of the attributes weight is 90. The delete attributes. If we can create the attribute, assign the value, then set the value and delete the attributes. Delete attributes. It is used the delete attributes. The built in the method for the same of the object delete attributes. For example, self dot name. For example, delete attributes h1 dot weight. Delete the attributes with. The built-in method for the same will be h1 delete attributes self and with. Then accessing method. When an instance attributes other than the data attributes is reference, the corresponding the class such it is the valid class attributes object. The object a method is created by the pointing to the instance object and the functions object. When the method object is called the argument list, a new argument list is constructed from the instance object and the argument list. The functions object is the called the new argument list. This method is called class can be accessed in the same manner as the data attributes. The object name method name. Now putting all the concept together, let us see the following examples. Class health profile, weight equal 0, blood group equal P positive. Tell is initialization value self with weight blood groups. Okay, the self weight equal to weight, the self mood equal to the self blood group blood group equal to blood group. Self display print weight self display. Okay, then using delete.